Hello friends! Today I'm introducing the 115 cm Gatling chain. Action soft bomb gun large, electric burst EVA soft bullet Gatling machine gun for ultimate fun indoors and outdoors. The massive size lets you enjoy endless play. This soft bullet gun operates in both electric and manual modes, switching to manual when the battery is low. The rotating muzzle adds realistic action, enhancing the thrill of every shot. Featuring a bullet chain for faster, continuous firing, this gun offers a real shooting experience. The extended bomb chain design ensures sustainable output for longer battery life. Equipped with a tactical tripod, it can be rotated and adjusted in height for precise aiming. The gun boasts a 15mm long-range shooting capability, allowing you to hit distant targets. Experience high-speed bursts with an adjustable 32x magnification lens, perfect for honing in on your aim. The EVA suction cup soft bombs stick to smooth surfaces like glass, tile, and screens, making every shot feel real.